Okay, part two of the rounding hammer. And this will show you the bolster and the drift and the fullering tool I use to create the shape of the eye and the cheeks around the eye. So I use a series of drifts. This is the first one. Tap it in. Take it to your bolster. Use the tongs to hold on to the drift. Take your fullering tool. It's got to be short enough to fit in between the faces. I take that, throw it in the water. Now, after I have that, you can see that side's been rounded by the bolster. Sometimes you can do both sides in one heat. What's nice about the little drifts and holding on to it with a pair of tongs is that you don't need a long drift that you have to hold on to. And the second benefit would be you don't have to change out the dies to draw the cheeks out. Now you can do the other side. It automatically kind of comes out. I usually try to do both sides and flip it over. Take it. And that's how I do that. And if you see these corners right here, they're kind of sharp. What you can do, and it helps for it to fit into the bolster better. Now you can take this corner as you can see, it really makes it look nice. That's basically how I drift the eye for that hammer.